Hi, welcome to another video. This is Teacher Jen, and today I'd like to share an application with you which is available only on the phone as of the time of this recording. And this particular application will allow you to learn and practice your English using a phone. Okay, in this particular app, you can learn from teachers who are also native speakers for free. And you can also do your own live stream or just participate in the discussion and conversation practice. Another feature is you can find someone instantly. You can have one-on-one conversation partner with a participant. Now, the link written here is also going to be written on the description down below this particular video. So let's get started. Here is how the app looks like. Here is the icon of the app. It's called HALLO app. This is how it looks like. So to get these, you need to download it from the link I sent you. It's pretty much straightforward. It will take you to the page, and then all you need to do is to download it from the link and then use a Gmail email or your phone to create an account. It's free. The only time you will be paying if you opt to subscribe for a teacher. So here it goes. Once you open the app, here's how it looks like. On the app, you can learn from native teachers. They conduct live classes. These are for teachers. And you can also do a live class as a student. In this app, I actually teach and conduct activities as a student for free. So if you want to participate with me in my live stream, please download the app using the link I will be providing at the bottom of this page, or on the description of this page. So you can select a teacher and then participate in their discussion. Let's find one. So let's try teacher Rahat Ali. So here is his live stream. This one is recorded, so let's move it forward. As you can see, there are people who are interacting with him via text.
I don't know, sir, what would I say?
And there will be the voices that you hear are from the students that he's
Sadia, welcome. Ganesh,
he has as subscribers. So he conducts activities for mostly IELTS and grammar. You can also go to a student's live stream. Let's find one that has some audience inside it. This one is talking to two other students on the discussion, and you see all people participating. So those are the two features where you can have a class with a native teacher. You can sit in their classes or participate, and you can totally participate for free on a student's live stream like this one. Or you can do the inta-match, which is a button located in the middle. Once you click on that, you would be able to see two choices. You can do an inta-match with a native teacher, which costs some coins, or you can do a free inta-match with a fellow student, a speaking partner. You just have to click on inta-match, this one, and then you will see the picture or the profile of the person you can talk to. You just have to accept. All right. So those are the things that you can have from this particular app. I hope you try it, and I hope to meet you there soon. Here is my profile in there. If you wish to participate in my classes, you can add me. My profile is Gen502, or you can use my link down below so you can instantly access it. I look forward to seeing you in the app soon, and have a nice day.